Today we're going to learn how to install an Adobe Acrobat program using the Adobe CC Creative Cloud Suite. You'll be able to install any of the Adobe applications using the same process. The first step to do is to get an Adobe ID, which should have been emailed to you by your administrator, and you set up your account and password using your Bishop Lynch email address. Then to install, you simply go to your favorite browser. In this case, I'm just going to Chrome. It could be Firefox. And now we're going to go to the Adobe website and log in. We'll sign in to Adobe using your Bishop Lynch email address. And in this case, I'm going to sign in with a personal account because I'm the administrator. You should be using the school account. Okay, it'll bring you to this particular web page, and it shows right in the middle your services on the Creative Cloud. This is really the dashboard that you'll use to install any of the Creative Cloud programs. We click Open, and it will bring you to a little dashboard that's got 5 of the most popular applications to download. Adobe Acrobat DC is the one we're going to use for this illustration, but you could have chosen Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Illustrator. And in fact, if you click the waffle over here under the View All, you'll see the plethora of Adobe CC applications that are available for you to install. Pick the one that you want. If you're doing video editing, Premiere Pro is a great one to choose. If you're doing photo editing, then you'd use Photoshop. But like I said, in this case, this example, we're going to use Adobe Acrobat DC. We click the Adobe Acrobat, and then we say Get App down here underneath it, and it will download it and install it on your PC. This is a fairly lengthy download. It's going to take about 12 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to click Get App, and to be honest, I've cheated in order to make this video a little shorter, and have already downloaded and installed Adobe DC. So all I would need to do is open it. But it will go through a download first, then an installation, and you might be prompted to see if it'll ask you, do you want to allow this program to make changes to your computer? And of course the answer would be yes. And then it will finally complete the installation. It's the same process for all of the Adobe CC applications. If you have questions or comments, please email tech support and we'll be happy to assist you. In this case, my Adobe Acrobat DC was completed. I can double click it and it brings up Adobe for me to use. I hope this has been a short and informative video for you, and if you do have any problems, please email tech support and we'll help you out.